Hey guys, welcome to Growth Traders. So this will be the video where we'll be looking at of our really amazing intraday trades. So this is on Reliance, and we'll be also looking at Bank Nifty later. So you can see here what kind of a movement we have captured today in Reliance, right? So you can see first of all the day's trend, right? The day's trend was really on the upside. There was strong buying pressure in the initial 5 to 10 minutes. You can see here the first two candles in the 5-minute time frame showed some really nice buying, as you can see here. Now from around this level the price just went up and it took the first resistance at the level of 2558, right? So this was our morning high, after which we can see it entering into a consolidation mode, making a low of about 2547. So that is around a 11 point low, right, from the high. Now what really impresses us is first of all, right, so it actually did try to break this support level after some time with some really good selling pressure, but it could not sustain below this, right? So this was the first indication that yeah, today we have buyers as the dominant party, right? So right after the price quickly recovers back to its day high, we can see the first candle that sustains above the day high, and this is where we make our entries, right? This is our entry point, and our stop loss is right below this candle at around 2556. So really small stop loss, as you can see, and we just keep holding it, right? Just look at the movement in the last half an hour, guys. This is just absolutely amazing. So if you had just ride the momentum, right, so in that case you would have an awesome 3.2% profit. That is about a target of 80 rupees in a stock like Reliance, that too on intraday, right? So if you took a 5x leverage on intraday, then you would basically have 300 points profit per share, right? So that is absolutely amazing when it comes to intraday, right? So 10 quantity, that means 3000 rupees, right? So that's is the power of day high breakout, guys. Again, when you have a nice market trend and when you have everything working in your favor, we see that the buyers are able to sustain, right? There is dominance from the buyers. You just enter and keep holding. Just look at the movement, guys. This is the power of trailing stop loss and riding the momentum. So that is all about Reliance, right? One could also make an entry at around this point, right, when he or she saw the movement, this high momentum candle, then he could basically enter at around these levels with a stop loss right below here. So that could also have been a nice entry, a nice pyramiding move too, right? So from here you could basically target for a 1:3, and that too could be easily achieved here, right? So that is all about Reliance, guys. Now let's move on to Bank Nifty, right? So here also we have captured amazing trades, right? So just look at it. So this was our morning high, first of all. So this is the morning high. You can see this is actually the morning high, but this is the closing, right? I'm taking based on the closing, right? So see here, this is a range low, as you can see. So right after Bank Nifty breaks this range low, we actually shorted it, right? So we shorted it, but right after we saw that Bank Nifty was not able to break this candle low closing, right with this candle, then we actually just made our exits here. So it was hardly around a 20-point profit in our put option, right? Not more than that. Yes, some people also exited cost to cost, no issues regarding that, right? So quickly what we see is again the same type of price action forming up in Reliance, right? So you can see there was a downside movement followed by a quick recovery, right? So this is our second entry. Right after this candle is formed, this amazing candle with a wick on the downside, this is where we make our second entry. We take our stop losses, right, just a second, we take our stop losses right below this here, right, and we just aim for a 1:3 again, and you can see it pretty clearly how we can easily get the 1:3 here, right? So right around here I personally exited the trade. So really quick movement, 120-point movement when it comes to in the money options, right? I went for deep in the money, right? The strike price which I went for was 34,000 call option, right? So that was my strike price. Again, huge movement, right? Really quick movement. That's what you are looking for when it comes to the options, right? So that was all about the two trades, right? So we have Reliance, we have Bank Nifty, right? So if you can master price action in a good way, right? If you can capture the momentum when it comes to the intraday, if you can find out whether the price is sustaining below a resistance level, or maybe up above a resistance level, right? In any of such cases, you must be able to understand the dominance of the buyers or the sellers, right? So one party should have a clear cut dominance, right? So in this case we basically have the buyers, right? Just pushing up the prices and breaking the day high, after which we make the entry, right? So two trades, amazing trades. Both of these are shared in our membership. We do give these calls, right, in our premium membership. If you want to join this, then all the details are in the description. Just contact us, right? We will send you the required details. We'll have all the necessary details conveyed to you before you have a proper demo, right? So that's all about it, guys. If you want to learn options trading, we have a detailed recorded course on that. For Bank Nifty option buying using price action, it is just priced at 500 rupees as of now. All the details are in the description. Just go for it, guys. It will really help you, right? See you guys in our next video. Till then, stay tuned, right? Give a like and a subscribe, right? Bye bye.